Guys, do you ever eat so much bop or manja or lukanka that your stomach is just, it's not treating you very nicely? Well, that was me earlier today, and I was taking a train, and one might have slipped out, and I learned a new word, thankfully, from the people next to me because they heard it. But, if you're ever feeling like your stomach is hurting and you just, you need to let it out, just say, Hora, izvanavai, astravia de pradna. И така, и пръдна. И след кога аз вика така, аз пръднат много, много силно. Моето баба слушат в село и обажа ми и вика, какво стана? Велизар, какво стана? Защо пръднаш много силно? И аз каза, баба, спокойна, твоето боб много, много хубава. И така. So yeah, guys, I learned some new Bulgarian words today. But man, this Bulgarian bop, manja, lukanka, fuck. Shit. Yeah. It doesn't set very well in my stomach. It tastes delicious, but people are gonna smell my secret blend of herbs and spices. So I just thought I'd throw it out there. Summer's right around the corner. Okay.